all you my animators, and today we are going to do something very special in the animation world. And we know one of the greatest challenges of you creating an animation is either you don't have the right tool for your voiceover, or maybe you don't have a good sound for your voiceover. Now today we are going to treat all those parts. A very good tool that you are supposed to use for your animation voiceover. Couple of videos that I've done which is inside the channel. You can just go and watch how to make animation videos either for storytelling or maybe for movies. But today we are treating how to make your voiceover for your virtual animation. This is going to be interesting. But before we start, I want you to just do one favor. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Enjoy every digital tutorials that I am bringing your way. But today we are going to start off with just one tool, which is Google AI Studio. So, and how do you do it on your mobile phone? Because why we are using mobile phone is because mobile phone is quite more easier to access and is quite more easier to carry about. So how to achieve this on your mobile phone? If your mobile phone has a Chrome browser, just head up to the Chrome browser on your mobile phone and search for Google AI Studio. Let's just do that now. Google AI Studio. So you'll find the Google AI Studio, and you can just go straight and you can see it. Google AI Studio built with Google AI Studio. So basically Google AI Studio is not only for development of platforms, you can use it to make this voiceover, a unique one at that. So now what is the next step you can do? Just click on it. Already I have copied the site, so I am going to drop the website at the description of this video, so you can just go straight and click on it. Now once you are there, as you can see, the link at the description takes you directly to where you are going. Now the next thing we are supposed to do here is to create our voiceover, very clean and direct. Now take note, when you are making your voiceover, ensure that your voiceover is in accordance with your animation. So if your animation is a foreign type that they need to speak foreign English or a UK English, you need to ensure that the accent of the voiceover is in UK English. But basically this one I want to do is in Nigerian English, because the animation I want to use it for is all Nigerian right up. So I'm going to use a native deep Nigerian voice to make the voiceover. Now what is the next thing? When you get here, you see a lot of things here, and you see the hard voiceover and all that. Don't click on the hard voiceover, just click on the master storyteller. So on the master storyteller, that is where you are going to do your voiceover. Now I already have my script. Let me go back to ChatGPT. So if you have your script on ChatGPT already, you can ask ChatGPT to generate the voiceover of that script. I have the summary of the voiceover here. So now the next thing we need to do, I want you to pay attention on this next part, because it's very necessary. This is the board we are supposed to use, but there is a configuration that is quite more important for us to set up before we get the result. Now you will see where they wrote speaker 1. Now on that part, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring out another board. So on the other board, you click on style. This part is very crucial. On style, on that style, you will click straight to empathetic. Then the next one is pace. On the pace, you leave it at natural, and on the accent too, you leave it at neutral. So I think you are good to go. That's just the configuration. So the next thing is to just leave this path, because you are using a Nigerian accent, so the configuration is quite okay. Let's check it again so that we can be on safe side. All right, so we are there now. Now I need to go and bring in my voiceover and do some configuration. Now what we are supposed to do is the scene, then the sample context, then the voiceover. Now let me go and copy my voiceover from ChatGPT. Give it this prompt to write your voiceover. This is what I use for my own voiceover. I said write the voiceover all together in Nigerian accent with deep, thick, Barry voice. So this is the voiceover. I'm going to copy this now. I'm going to copy this voiceover. So I've copied it. Then I will need the scene title. Let me use, what can I use as scene title? Let me use this. All right, so I have the summary and I have the scene and I have the sample context. So let me just put the title here. All right, so the sample context, it is the summary of what the voiceover is all about. Okay, so my voiceover, you see that there is a summary: voice style, deep, rich Nigerian main baritone voice. So that's actually what I copied. So I'm going to paste it at the sample context. So please pay attention. I'm going to remove this and paste that part here. Did I copy it? I'm not sure I copied it. Okay, before I go and copy it, let me paste this. Did I copy it? So I'm going to remove this, the default text that is there, and put my own voiceover. So this is my voiceover, and let me go and copy the context. Okay. All right. So it is now copied. Let me go paste it. So now the whole thing is set up. I've done all the settings. So the question is, then how are we supposed to get the voiceover? This is what you are going to do next. Click on the run button. You see the run button at the down right. Just click on it. Click on the run button. So once you click on the run button, you wait for it. So now it's generating the voiceover for us. So we are going to wait till everything is done. So but in the moment of waiting, you need to know how to make your own branding with animation. You need to know how to make your own movie, storytelling, and all that. I have a crash course currently that I'm running at the rate of 5,000. You can be part of it and you can enjoy all the quality teachings that will come therein. After a lot of patience of waiting for our voiceover, it is now ready. So please note, the length of your voiceover might determine the kind of patience you are going to have. For example, this voiceover is 1 minute 28 seconds, and for this tool to create that voiceover, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the whole thing to be ready. So now the voiceover is ready, so let's just play it. You find the play button here, you click on the play button, so that we can.
Every day across Nigeria, millions of entrepreneurs wake up with a dream to build, sell, and grow something meaningful. But in today's digital world, having a great product is not enough. Your business needs a place where customers can easily discover your products, place orders, and connect with your brand. For many business owners, managing orders manually, replying to endless messages, and keeping track of products can become stressful. But what if building...
Wow. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is download. You'll see the download button. You just click on it and wait for it to download. My voiceover is downloaded. I'll head up to the voiceover and rename it. So you rename the voiceover according to the title of your project so that you don't get it mixed up. So I'm going to rename the voiceover. So I'm going to rename it. This is my voiceover here. I'm going to rename it. Regardless of who you are doing the voiceover for, it is recommended that you rename your voiceover.